Good morning, friends. So I'm here at my listing over at 1221 Linda Vista, and there's been some comments that the fireplace is too dark. This is the easiest, simple DIY project that you can do. You can chalk paint this and add a mantle, and it will look amazing. I'm going to show you a before and after on this video, and then come back and talk about it. Okay, so I've given you an example of a before and after on how to modernize and update the look of this fireplace for very inexpensive. Let me know if you like it and let me know your thoughts.